Fire Control 2 Rapids reported a motor vehicle accident with airbag deployment 6432 Bartz Rd, 6432 Bartz Rd between Old Beattie Road and Crosby Road. Vehicle struck rocks. Airbag deployment. Driver refusing EMS. BLS standard is recommended. Your incident will be on FD TAC 1. Repeating 2 Rapids. Report of a motor vehicle accident with airbag deployment at 6432 Bartz Rd, 6432 Bartz Rd between Old Beattie Road and Crosby Road. Vehicle struck some rocks and a street sign. Driver refusing EMS. Caller reporting gas leaking from vehicle. Your incident will be on FD TAC 1, Niagara County Fire Control clear 2324.